Live for Jitor Exile.
Pero maganda yan for the likes of ito nga si Marais kasi last year buhos sa kanya, di ba?
Last game, let's not forget, this guy is a legitimate coach, di ba? Long-time assistant coach, Coach Mark Herrera sa AMA. And also, kasama din siya ni Coach Mark Herrera. Kakasabi lang natin ang pangalan niya. Narinig niya tayo. Hindi nga, Kenzel Basketball in the PBA D-League, di ba? Yung mga ganun. And then of course, yung program din niya, yung Coach Yong Basketball, di ba? So, ang dami din yung ventures na nagtuturo siya. So, medyo, it's hard to keep up that same conditioning in terms of playing conditioning, di ba?
Kasi
sa totoo na lang, di ba, Coach Alvin, no one can replace Jojo Hate realistically, di ba?
Wala talaga.
Pero ito, yung katikista knocking down another three-pointer.
Mukhang kailangan talaga niya, no? Na mga puntos.
Sabi ni Coach yung kanina, 10 points lang daw, okay lang daw sa kanya. Yun yung sabi niya sa akin. Hindi ako naniniwala, gumanon ako. And now 6 points na siya. Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi ako naniniwala, Coach yung. Kasi ba dito, galing doon, di ba? It's possible. It's a possible.
Kapit-bahay lang naman yan eh.
Oo.
Kumbaga,
did well. As Coach Yong, all alone. Easy 2 points para dito. Roger with a steal. Yap has Katikista on his right. Beautiful pass there by Roger. Yap, now 12 points para dito kay Coach Yong Katikista. Air 21, di ba, in his latter years of his career.
Oh, and then Jaire Ibanez with his years as a rain or shine.
Roger Yap ng Marias and even Coach Yong Katikista.
Ayun,
speaking of, off-balance shot, knocking it down. But yun nga, di ba? Marirewardan ka. You just do your role and then go to the right place in the offensive end. Mabibigay sa'yo.
Isipin mo, no? Usapan lang, 10 puntos lang, no?
Kaya sabi ko, hindi ako naniniwala sa kanya. Sa galing niya, who would believe him, di ba? 10 puntos lang gagawin niya.
7 lang siya noong nakaraan, no? 7. Ngayon, na-times 2 na niya. Na-times 2 na niya. Ma-improve yung scoring nila dito with Jojo Hate.
Yes, Coach Yong, look at that. Gets his own miss. May magnet ang bola kay Katikista.
Alam mo si Coach Yong, parang, alam mo yung galaw niya na, it's like he is still on his 30s.
Totoo. I could even say 20s, diba?
Yes.
Grabe naman performance for Coach Yong Katikista. Now re-extends this lead to 16 as he will take a short break dito during the time. Chemistry na na-adjust na nila coming off their last win. And eto nga yung Yong Katikista. Offensive rebound and put back dito. That's one of the reasons why etong Jitor Exile ay lamang ngayon. 59-43 live for Jitor Exile.
Pero maganda yan for the likes of ito nga si Marais kasi last year buhos sa kanya, di ba? NRMG, yes.
Di ba? Against Santa Rosa, Fulitech Santa Rosa State.
Yun na lang yung perfect example yung kaninang laro. Di ba? But again, this guy has played.
Hindi ako papapaya. JP
Calvo talaga eh.
Resyo. Talaga mukha sa JP Resyo. Ano yung JP Resyo? As Katikista again, bar none, this is Coach Yong's best performance, di ba, this season?
Wala akong masabi. The best Yong Katikista that we've seen here in this tournament now.
And not only that, this might be his best shooting performance dito sa Lakas 40. Kasi last season, shooting, slashing, and yung playmaking ginagawa niya for Malolos Republic. Dito sa Jitor Exile, he is showcasing na, uy, may kamay din ako. Parang mga Klay Thompson type plays na nakikita ko for him.
Kasi 3 out of 14 siya last game. That's a struggle already for him in that game. And then yung shooting niya from 3-point distance.